Aboard RV Rachel Carson on Puget Sound. Interns in the APL-UW Summer Undergraduate Research Program.
Whoa, that's so cool. They're not on a computer, they're not in a classroom, they are outside, they're on a research vessel.
The program's purpose is to provide undergraduate students the opportunity to experience and conduct project-based research, participate in professional development, and build community with young scientists.
Why am I in this program? I'm looking at atmospheric science with how the atmosphere interacts with the ocean.
So I'm about to be a senior at UW studying oceanography.
We were working on capping and uncapping CTDs.
Yeah. No, this was on the left. This is great. It's great practice. I love being on a boat, and it helps me realize kind of what I want to do in my career.
Key to the program's success, peer-to-peer learning activities, like building an electronic sensor in a makerspace lab, or oceanographic sampling in Puget Sound.
It's been awesome.
We got to kind of practice and conduct, I guess, like what you would do on a research vessel, but by ourselves.
Amanda Labrado recruits APL-UW scientists to mentor interns. Together, they design individual research projects rooted in their areas of expertise. This year's projects range from wireless power and data transfer for underwater robots to phytoplankton blooms in the ocean around Antarctica. Mentor Ethan Campbell joined the interns for their day of oceanographic sampling on the Rachel Carson.
I think this particular cruise was really neat, that a lot of the work I do, I'm looking at satellite data, and today we actually got to see phytoplankton under the microscope, zooplankton under the microscope. So to put things, in real terms, tangible terms, it was really meaningful.
I'm going into my last year at college in marine biology. So I either want to go to grad school and become like a PI and be able to do this, be on a research vessel, or potentially go into conservation.
Each intern's project is designed to generate data and the opportunity for analysis. The program is capped with the interns presenting research results in public poster fairs.
It's really great for them to get this hands-on experience because even if they're not oceanography majors specifically, they have this experience under their belt, they have hands-on experience, they have field experience, and they can take that back to their classrooms as well as any other professions that they work in so that they can utilize these skills and carry them on into different fields, including math, physics, astronomy, all that good stuff.
The intern's intensive 2-month learning program is balanced with planned and spontaneous social activities. Hiking and camping at Mount Rainier, a lakeside barbecue, an evening watching the Seattle Sounders.
Every year that we have had this program operate, we have doubled the number of applications that we've received from the prior year. We have had 11 students the first year, and then we hosted 14 students the second year and 14 students the third year. And so it's been a really great time to see how the program has grown, how our recognition has grown, and how students are really excited to participate in this program now.